Happy Tuesday evening, everybody. It's 10:05 Eastern here on the March 27th, 2018. Two stories tonight for you and a quick market update. I did an earlier video tonight on YouTube, and their strides towards more and more censorship and less decentralization and centralization, and Steemit's push towards a decentralized platform which is already 2 years in now almost, and where we can all share our ideas and whatnot. But if you want to check that out, that was in the video I did prior to this one, episode 63. This is episode 64 now. No Edits Crypto. So everybody, please subscribe that enjoys this show, and hit the bell. I appreciate it. Share this with your friends also. Straight into the news. A lot of news going on today. One story that I wanted to touch on of the two was Twitter has joined Google in banning cryptocurrency advertisements. So they're not going to let anybody advertise regarding cryptocurrency and ICOs, initial coin offerings. So that's another step towards sort of what I was just mentioning with YouTube. Now you see Facebook probably will do something similar. I know that they're not too keen on letting people do what they want, but Twitter is going. Actually, that was effective today. So no more advertisements. It's funny. Somebody like BitConnect comes in, and how do they get away with advertising on YouTube so long? That is something that I just can't figure out. It was clear to anybody who really thought about it and did any sort of research at all, or just. I don't want to offend anyone, but really just took the time and, the sort, you can read people, you knew those guys in the YouTube videos were scammers, and the BitConnect was a Ponzi scheme. If you've, any sort of economic realist would have noticed that. But it's funny how, they got away with that for so long, and now you see this might be sort of a result of those kind of people getting away with that, regardless of how they did get away with it. And secondly, in the news today was the a cooler story, a good news story. I'm not going to focus on FUD too much on this show, but I mean, it is important to mention that these things are going on. But we're going to win, so it's not like we're not going to win this. I'm not, price goes up, price goes down. I'm not too focused on the price, even though I do cover the price as well. But, the FUD and the price, this is about the technology too. So at the end of the day, people have to realize that. But 2/5 of Koreans in a poll said that they are keen on investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. South Korean millennials are keen to invest in cryptocurrencies more than any generation presently, according to a new report by the Bank of Korea, the BOK. So that's pretty cool. South Korea represents Asia's number 4 economy with a total population of 51 million people. So anytime that you hear these good stories, it really shows what millennials and the youth really think about the potential of cryptocurrencies. And this is just another example of how important the millennials, I'm a millennial myself, how important we view this technology. Straight into a little price review here. Bitcoin's down 2.1%, 2.17% for the day at 78.46 USD. Still trending downward. For the hour, pretty much dead even though. Ethereum is down 5.831% at 0.61% for the hourly, up, and is at $448.51 right now. Litecoin at 6.23 3% down, and even for the hourly, it is up. It is currently at $134. On to Neo. Neo is also down 1.59% for the day at $56. Currently down 0.67% for the hourly. And lastly, Steam. Steam is down 2.97% today, but is trending upward for the hourly at 0.44% and is valuated currently at $1.73. Also, I actually talked to a friend on the phone today. IJ Steam Cafe. So it's pretty cool that we are this community is growing, and we are networking with good people and like-minded people. And I just wanted to throw him a quick shout out. I appreciate the time. He lent me some great ideas in the Steam it world. And Steam, DTube, DLive, we talked about a few different topics inside this, the Steam blockchain and the applications on it. So appreciate the tips, buddy, and shout out to him. Also, I'll be bringing you guys another video tomorrow. I'm really hoping that we've seen a couple rough days now in a row. Hopefully, we get steady here and start heading upward. I don't foresee it going much lower, but this, as always, is not financial advice, and we'll have to wait and see, just like everybody else. Everybody, get some rest. I'll see you tomorrow.